None of that for about couple of hours over there.
Tell some pussy stop run up them lip. Lock her. Usher. What them feel like? Touch never stop.
I doubt the one that think him a brick road in a qualify for the Lord. No time you still a newbie.
Greetings viewers and subscribers, welcome back to Line TV. Me see a video circulate with Labas. Look like him up on a boat and you don't know the selector ring some tune and him goes one jar for your Alkaline and Labas and make him know say yo, none of that. Which part me there you mad? Where you do youth? Now a lot of people run with it and we don't know it's all fun and games. We see the artists them go at it and go in a lyrical battle, especially a man like a Labas and an Alkaline. That would have been good for dancehall. But whole heap of people, probably everybody when me see a talk about this situation, them a miss the bigger picture. And we definitely have to go talk about that in this report. In one of my recent upload, me speak of Calabar planning to open my recording studio. And me talk about the article where Dancehall Mag put out about this recording studio to be open at Calabar. And the mere fact that they mention a few past students and never mention Vybz Kartel name. Me see quite a few people in the comment section and say, yo, the man they behind bars. What you expect them if you do mention him name and in the behind bars? Because the man they behind bars, that's why him name no mention. And one whole heap of thing. And me think about it for a minute. And me no feel like me should have even go another second in thinking about it. For say, yo, that theory no make no sense at all. And me I go tell no why. Also, Squash plan to make a massive move very soon. Me soon tell you what that is. But before we go further in the details, me ask you to do one simple favor. Pause this video for a second and click the subscription button. Also click the notification bell just so that you will be notified each and every time a new video is uploaded on this channel. You know, watch the video and not like it. So please me ask you, give the video a like right now. We'll get straight into it. So earlier in the intro, me post a video with Chronic Law, they pan a boat him and him friend them and you don't know them have a vibe. They pan live and them look thing they and the selector himself have a vibe. So the selector just decides to watch me I go rinse some song and buying us one spin a Alkaline. La boss I say brother, how you depan? You mad? Where you do? Which part me there? None of that can go on. Now everybody run with it cause we don't know say yo. It would be good to see the 6 and Vendetta go at it again in a lyrical battle. That is something we dancer would have love. But the bigger picture to this is that them things here still a go on. Really? The man them not get past them thing they know say yo, song is just a song. And no matter what you do, because of the internet, you can't hold on a song again. You can't hold on an artist again. Back then, them things here lack out whole heap of artists out of the industry, whole heap of big artists, whole heap of good artists. Where right now, would I not run the place? Just because them not aligned to a particular camp or them not aligned to a particular artist, for them song will never be played in a dancehall. Remember, you know, artists usually pay a selector for no play a man song, you know. Artists usually pay a promoter for no book this artist, you know. Even up until now, some artists now go on certain show if a next artist depend, you know. Yo, them things ya need to stop. We say, guys, do a song what the anima say, yo. How comes Vybz Kartel and Alkaline no have a collab yet? And believe me, that question is one of the biggest questions in dancehall. So me just feel like say yo, it petty if you know say yo, a man just a juggle and a play some song and you go say because you did it, it's a disrespect to play the man the song. To me, that no make no sense. Or probably because him did the pan live. Maybe if him never did pan live, he wouldn't just go and bounce to the Alkaline song. But because he really see it, I don't know, Labas a real general, so him can't look shaky. So him have to do something about it. And speaking of Vybz Kartel, in one of my recent upload, me speak about Calabar planning to open my recording studio. And them list out some of the past artists them were used to attend Calabar. A prominent name where them never list out is Vybz Kartel. We don't know Quada used to go there too. And them no call Quada name and even more. But let's just say they miss out Vybz Kartel name. A bag of people in the comment section and I say, yo, Vybz Kartel they behind bars, the man a serve time in a jail and this and that. And that's why them no call him name. And you know, so me actually think about it for a second. And then me I say, yo, what you do? That theory and madness. every single thing where them speak of in the media and otherwise, whether it is good or whether it is bad, once it involves anything regarding Vybz Kartel name, them a call him name on national TV, them a put it in the newspaper, them a put it everywhere. So why if it's something as simple as a recording studio opening at a high school with a past student like Vybz Kartel, them call all of the other people them name except Vybz Kartel. Now, me know see a lot of people can back up them claim with the fact say Quada name never get mentioned either, and Quada currently have a case in front of the court. But remember, Quada a small artist compared to Vybz Kartel, small artist compared to the rest of names where them call. So it could have just been a case where Dancehall Mag decides them will call all of the big names. That's why Quada name no call. But if you are call big name and don't call Vybz Kartel when we talk about dancehall Jamaican music, then something is definitely wrong. So that is why, or that was why I asked the question: is Vybz Kartel selling a lie for the longest while? Is Vybz Kartel or was Vybz Kartel a past student of Calabar High School? That's me say, you know. And that if I to my father and I say, yo, the man never used to go Calabar and this and that. Me just I say, yo, I want you to tell me if him really was a past student. But all in all, that theory that we see quite a few people are run with, say because him currently they behind bars, that's why him name no mention. That theory there no make no sense at all. You don't know we in a 2023, and just like everybody else, the artists them decide say, yo, them want 2023 be them best year. Them want 2023 be better than last year. And we see squash into the fans them say, yo, the year it a go be a massive year for me. In fact, we no go see a squash we no never see yet. So we see he make that post up on him Instagram what there, new music, and it, you don't know the one bag of fire flames and them little thing there. And him say, feel like we drop 5 album one time. What uno say? I was seeing with little laugh emoji, but at the end of the day, you know, them man are artists, and Squash a talented artist, bad artist. Them man are writing skill, delivery, and everything is out of this world. So if him forward and him ask if you want 5 album one time, me not surprise if we get it. Believe me, and we don't know say as an artist. The man them are gonna make sure say yo them put in the work and give the people them what them want. And to tell you the truth, an album from Squash, believe me feel like say it would be a masterpiece. It would be something where the world need right now, especially with everything we are going around the artists. You don't know. Them will always make sure say them put them pain, them put them life story, them put everything pan a track and send it out to the people them. So an album from him, at least one, not even 5, at least one would definitely be good for 2023. Just tell me what you think down below in the comment section. Quick and fast, this is international, but yo, Jaja, me have to bring this here so. May I see which part a couple from Iran was sentenced just for dancing in the street. Now the charges where them get is assembly and collusion with the intention of disrupting national security. Yo, some country have some law there now. We see where they are, we are cuss about Jamaica full laws where really and truly some of them want dash it. But yo, some country have some ridiculous law. So the couple they in the street just have a nice little dance and not run up and down and daggering like where we go out in Jamaica. Just a nice little dance to a nice little song. And them arrest them and charge them, sentence both of them to 5 years apiece in a prison. Yo, and not normal just for dancing at the street. Jaja, again, some country have some laws, but me I tell you, it is ridiculous. Anyway, viewers and subscribers, we have come to the end of another report. Please, may I ask you, do not hesitate to hit that subscription button. Also, give this video a like once you make it this far. And please, browse the channel and check out the rest of videos they want to know watch it. Bless up.